All right, here we go. First print on the recently assembled Ender 3 with the direct drive upgrade, the SKR Mini control board, and the Creality textured glass bed. As you can see at the beginning, the adhesion was good on the bed, especially since I forgot to even wipe it down like I normally do beforehand. Print's coming out really clean, pretty fast as usual. That's kind of how I always print. The letters came out really sharp there. Infill is nice and fast. I think I had it set at about 25%. So just finished the X and Y on the side. Now it's starting the Z at the top. Just about done. Here it is, pops right off the bed. You can see the letters are really clean, nice sharp corners. I checked all the measurements and everything was within 5 or 10 hundredths of a millimeter. So that was great, really happy with that. Looking forward to trying a few other more complicated models and we'll see how it goes. So there you go. Thanks.